They lied to you about getting rich. Not because money is complicated, but because if you understood how wealth actually works, you'd stop playing the game the way everyone else does. And that's dangerous for a system built on average people staying average. You were taught, go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, retire at 65. Sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. That path was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you predictable. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 stages of wealth building nobody explains properly. Miss even one of these stages, and you'll stay stuck longer than you realize. Most people think getting rich is about luck. Wrong. Others think it's about intelligence. Also wrong. Some of the smartest people I know are financially trapped. And some average people build extraordinary wealth. Why? Because wealth isn't built through intelligence. It's built through sequence. That's the part nobody teaches. The wrong move at the wrong stage destroys momentum. Think of wealth like climbing floors in a building. You cannot jump from floor 1 to floor 5. But most people try. That's why they fail. So here are the 5 real stages. And pay close attention to stage 3. That's where almost everyone self-sabotages. The first stage, awakening. This is where you realize something uncomfortable. Hard work alone does not create wealth. Look around. Millions work hard every day, yet remain financially stressed. Why? Because effort and leverage are different things. A man carrying bricks all day works hard. A business owner with systems works smart. One sells time, the other builds assets. This stage is painful because it breaks the illusion. You start seeing school teaches obedience, jobs teach dependence, consumer culture teaches spending. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is where your financial life actually begins, because before awareness, there is no escape. This is where it gets lonely, because now you separate from average thinking. Average people optimize for comfort. Wealthy people optimize for growth. Big difference. Most people spend extra money. Rich-minded people invest extra money. Most people buy liabilities. Rich-minded people buy assets. And here's the secret nobody tells you. Wealth is often built by delayed visibility, meaning nobody sees your sacrifice today, but everyone sees your success later. That's why this stage is brutal. Your friends won't understand. Family may question you. People may laugh, because discipline looks strange before results appear. But separation is necessary. You cannot build uncommon wealth with common habits. This is the wealth loophole nobody talks about. High-income skills, not degrees. Skills. Because skills compress time. A degree might take 4 years. A valuable skill can change your income in 6 months. Copywriting, sales, video editing, content strategy, closing, marketing, coding, negotiation. These skills are wealth multipliers. Here's the hidden rule. Your income grows to the level of your usefulness. That's it. Want more money? Become harder to replace. Simple, not easy. And this is where people fail. They consume endlessly. Watch videos, read books, take notes. but never execute. Knowledge without application is financial entertainment, not wealth. Execution is what changes income. This is where money starts accelerating. Leverage is how rich people multiply effort. There are 4 types: labor, money, media, code. A job has low leverage. Your output is limited. But content? One video can reach millions. A product? Sold infinitely. Software? Scales globally. Investments? Grow while you sleep. This is the real wealth secret. Rich people stop trading time. They build systems. Example: one person works 10 hours, makes $100. Another builds a system, makes $1,000 while sleeping. Same day, different model. That's leverage. And without leverage, wealth stays slow. This is the final stage: ownership. This is where real wealth is created. Not earned, created. Employees earn, owners build. And ownership changes everything. Because now, your money works. Your assets grow. Your business scales. Your equity increases. This is how wealth compounds. And compounding is the biggest loophole in money. Small gains, repeated for years, become massive. That's why wealthy people think long-term. Because time rewards ownership, not consumption. The person who buys luxury too early delays wealth. The person who buys assets early accelerates freedom. That's the difference. So here's what you do. Step 1. Wake up. Question everything you were taught about money. Step 2. Separate from habits keeping you average. Audit your spending. Audit your circle. Step 3. Pick one high-income skill. Master it, not 5, 1. Step 4. Find leverage. Build systems. Use content. Use technology. Use capital. Step 5. Own assets, businesses, stocks, real estate. Build things that pay you repeatedly. That's how wealth is built. Not quickly, but predictably. The truth is, getting rich isn't a mystery, but it is hidden behind distractions. And that's why most people never get there. Not because they can't, because they never understood the stages. Now you do. The question is, what stage are you in right now? And more importantly, what's keeping you stuck there?